Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the BatchRender function in 3ds Max. It is a powerful tool that allows you to render multiple images or animations in a single process. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to use the BatchRender function efficiently. So let's get started. Step 1. Before we start using the BatchRender function, we need to set up our project. Make sure that all the settings for the materials, lightings and cameras are set up the way you want them. Step 2. Once you are ready to render, go to the rendering menu and select BatchRender. This will open a BatchRender dialog box, which is where you will set up your rendering parameters. Step 3. Click the Add button to create a slot for the camera that we want to add to the image rendering queue. Step 4. In the BatchRender dialog box, you can set up your rendering parameters. This includes image format, quickly, resolution and more. Make sure to adjust the settings according to your specific project needs. Step 5. Next, set the output path for your renders. This will ensure that your rendered images are saved in the correct folder. You can also choose to create subfolder for your images based on the frame number, which can be helpful when rendering animations. Step 6. In the BatchRender dialog box, you can select the number of frames you want to render. You can choose to render all frames in your project or select specific frames to render. You can also choose to render individual still images or animations. Step 7. Click the BatchRender button to start the rendering process. Step 8. Once the rendering process is complete, you will find your images in the specified output folder. Make sure to check all your rendered images to ensure that they meet your requirements. Step 9. Save your project and BatchRender settings. This will allow you to quickly and easily render the same images or animations in the future. I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please write them. I will definitely answer. Put I like under the video to let me know how useful and interesting this information was for you. Thank you for watching.